Hi. What would a typewriter poet like to eat in Park Slope?
I go to the food truck, Taco Morelos.
What's your name?
Lynn.
Ben. Nice to meet you. Mr. Lin, I got the food.
Oh, thank you.
Were you just treating him to ices?
Absolutely, yeah. Sure, I mean, I usually go with the mango. Right back. The stuff that you find out about people, it's not the run-of-the-mill sort of conversation.
And this is Angelique.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, how did you meet?
We met in college. And I never regret it.
You want to hear it?
You make it easier to let the world in, filling in the idle self that often sits quiet inside of me, that is filled every time I see you beside me, thinking I want this always. As without you, that
Part of me sits more quiet, but I would rather hear it out loud in the end. Or at least listen as you speak.
I'm gonna cry.
You're really crying?
Sweet.